Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by open Xiaomi Earbuds application. And if you add your earbuds to the app, you will see the same menu here. You need to scroll down. And right here we have update firmware. Tap on them at this line, and you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check it. So click sign in, and right here write your email and password, or you can create account by clicking the create account button. So after you wrote it, you need to click that you've read and sign in. Just give me a second. Okay, here we go. So we just signed in into our account. Now we can click add update firmware, and as you can see we have the information at the bottom that my version is the last one. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!